picture.
How do you think Miss Caitlin's feeling? She looks sad.
Go out na.
Miss Caitlin, you look sad. Can I help? Hey, thank you. Hey, Mommy, and how do you? That's a great idea. Let's do it. Grandpa, wonderful. Harper. And hello is Ola. Yes. How do you say friends?
Ubos na.